Hello students, welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss exercise 1.2 of class 8 CBSE math textbook. Let's move on to fifth question. Find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Second bit is minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Third bit is 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Let's begin with 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. So we have to find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. So, 2 by 3, 4 by 5. So, first step is we have to make we have to convert these rational numbers into rational numbers with same denominator. Okay, so the easy step is we can multiply 2 by 3 with 5 by 5, the denominator of other rational number. So 2 by 3 into 5 by 5 is 10 by 15. And we can multiply 4 by 5 with 3 by 3. This is a simple method of converting given two rational numbers into same denominator. So we can multiply 4 by 5 into 3 by 3. That is 12 by 15. 2 by 3 and 4 by 5 are 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. But we have to find 5 rational numbers between these two. Clearly we can say the rational number between 10 by 15 and 12 by 15 is 11 by 15. Of course, there are so many rational numbers between these two. We can easily say 11 by 15 is in between 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. So now what we will do, let's take the LCM of 3 and 5. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So already we tried with 15. So now let's try with multiples of 15. So 15 into 2 is 30. Right? So now multiply 10 by 15. 10 by 15 into 2 by 2, 20 by 30, 12 by 15 into 2 by 2, 24 by 30. Again, we can easily say the rational numbers between 20 by 30 and 24 by 30 are 21 by 30, 22 by 30, 23 by 30. But we want 5 numbers. So now multiply our 10 by 15 and 12 by 15 with 3 by 3. 10 by 15 into 3 by 10 by 15 into 3 by 3 is 30 by 45, and 12 by 15 into 3 by 3 is equal to 36 by 45. Right? So the rational numbers between 30 by 45 and 36 by 45 are 31 by 45, we got 5 rational numbers. Even we can multiply 10 by 15 into 4 by 4, that is 40 by 60. 12 by 15 into 4 by 4, that is 48 by 60. And the rational numbers between 40 by 60 and 48 by 60 are 41 by 60, 42 by 60, 43 by 60, 44 by 60, 45 by 60, 46 by 60, 47 by 60. And we can write any 5 of these. Rational numbers. Similarly, we can multiply 10 by 15 into 5 by 5, 12 by 15 into 5 by 5. Like that, we can do. We can multiply the fraction with like any other number, 5 by 5 or 6 by 6, and we can write any set of 5 rational numbers in between those numbers. Let's discuss second bit of fifth question. Find 5 rational numbers between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. So our given rational numbers are minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3, and we have to find 5 rational numbers between them. The very first step is we have to change the given rational numbers into rational numbers such that they have same denominator. So minus 3 by 2, we have to multiply minus 3 by 2 with 3 by 3, and it becomes minus 9 by 6. We have to multiply 5 by 3 with 2 by 2, so that 5 by 3 becomes 10 by 6. So here we have same denominator 6. Okay, now we can write down rational numbers between 9 by 6 and 10 by 6. They are minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6, minus 5 by 6, minus 4 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 1 by 6, 0, and so on, 1 by 6, 2 by 6, so on to 9 by 6. So we can write any 5 rational numbers like minus 2 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 1 by 6, 0, 1 by 6, 2 by 6 can be our answer. Or we can write any 5 rational numbers like minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6, minus 5 by 6, minus 4 by 6, minus 3 by 6. Like that we can write any set of 5 rational numbers. Let's see third bit of fifth question. Find 5 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Our rational numbers are 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So now let's convert these two rational numbers into rational numbers of same denominator. So here I am multiplying 1 by 4 with 2 by 2. So 1 by 4 becomes 2 by 8, and I am multiplying 1 by 2 with 4 by 4, and it becomes 4 by 8. So the rational number between 2 by 8 and 4 by 8 is 3 by 8. So let's multiply our 2 by 8 and 4 by 8 with 2 by 2. So 2 by 8 becomes 4 by 16, and 4 by 8 becomes 8 by 16. Again we have 5 by 16. So here we multiply 2 by 8 with 2 by 2 and 4 by 8 with 2 by 2. And we got 4 by 16 and 8 by 16. So the rational numbers between 4 by 16 and 8 by 16 are 5 by 16, 6 by 16, 7 by 16. But we need 5 rational numbers. So let's multiply 2 by 8 with 3 by 3 and 4 by 8 with 3 by 3. And our rational numbers are now 6 by 24 and 12 by 24. And and let's write the rational numbers between 6 by 24 and 12 by 24. So they are 7 by 24, 8 by 24, 9 by 24, 10 by 24, 11 by 24. So these are 5 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Also we can multiply our rational numbers 1 by 4 into 8 by 8, that is 8 by 32, and 1 by 2 into 16 by 16, that is 16 by 32. And we can list down the rational numbers between 8 by 32 and 16 by 32. They are 9 by 32, 10 by 32, 11 by 32, 12 by 32, 13 by 32, 14 by 32, 15 by 32. And we can write any 5 of this. Any 5 is our answer. We can write any 5 of this.